Let's dig into Going Down, oOYes' oral sex elixir. Going Down is designed for edible sex play. It tastes like an orange creamsicle. No added sugar, cannabinoids, and flavored with terpenes to keep you going down for more. This sublingual application can be applied liberally to your honey pot or disco stick. Apply the first round and allow up to 15 minutes to set in before reapplying during sex play. Then lay back and relax while your partner is busy dripping and licking. Remember, going down does not play well with condoms. All the more reason to lick it clean. When using any cannabis product, it is important to start slow and test what works for you. First time, try using Going Down for self-pleasure before couples play. You will only get better with practice. Know what works best for you. Drip 1 to 3 droppers on private parts. Don't forget the clitoris. Rub it in and let it set before reapplying for orgasmic pleasure. Enjoy!